Guys, we're about to board the airplane. Going to Osaka, Japan.
Boarding na. Gates open pero hindi pa nagpapapasok. Wala pang tao.
Wala pang tao.
Saan yung mga tao?
Ayun na yata.
Ayun na. Let's go! Guys, napakahirap magbiyahe. Kasi may kasama kayo sa akin. Makulit! Oh, no! Makulit! Isa pang makulit! 9 hours yung flight. Good luck sa atin.
Kuya, halika kuya.
Dapat pinainom ko ng Valium kung Siyempre, first order of business, 7-Eleven. Sabi nga nila, di ka rato karating ng Japan kung di ka magsa-7-Eleven sa Japan.
Inabi, nakabili ka na nga pala na ano.
Hi, Martha! Yay! Uh-oh!
Mamaya. Tempura.
Alex, yummy! What's this?
Ito.
What's this?
Huh?
Yes!
Go first! Okay!
Nice!
Anak ko, alit sa anime. Akala mo naman, naiintindihan niya. Oh. Can you understand it, Mama? Yes! How about this keychain?
Yes! Yes! Everything looks nice!
Did you find something to buy?
They're just opening their mouths. This is kind of cute.
Did you want that? You can open it. Try to open the zipper. Oh, see, it's like a little coin purse. Let's go find something else. Come on.
I kind of like this. Only 2 things to buy.
Okay, is that it?
Sketchbook, yeah, and the pencil case.
Okay. Ganda ng baby room nila. This is a place where you can park your stroller or your pram. Changing tables. Foam, malambot. This is where you can, what is this? Throw your bin. These are rooms for breastfeeding moms. Or breastfeeding with the view of the city. And then there's I think this is hot water, and then a microwave, a bin, and the view. Wow! Papakainin mo yung mga kids. May high chair. Why not? And kung kailangan nila, I think, mag-nap. Oh, may vendo. Hindi to Japan kung walang vendo machine.
Picture ka dyan, kuya. Ayun kay Mario dyan. Dali, picture ka dyan. Ipila pa pala ulit. What?
I'm so excited to go in the Mario Kart. I cannot wait one more step.
はい、何名様ですか？ 2 名様。はい、どうぞ。足元1番こちらです。They're clapping. It means it's good. Yay! Wait, kuya, wait. Doon, kuya, doon ka sa other side. Ayan na. Parang si Dory na hindi Dory. Walang kulay. Kukulayan pa lang. What?
Ay, sobrang cute.
Ribali yata eh. Alam mo yung sa ano?
Answer
Yung
yan?
ice cage. Yung slot. Parang yung slot. Ay, ikot-ikot.
Swimming pala yung otter.
Ah, sabi ng duck. Sabi ng duck. Tamad talaga si Dugong kahit sa pelikula.
Dugong! It's Dugong!
Dugong. Ah, Dugong pala yan. Ada, wake up mo, wake up.
Ada, say hi!
Ada.
Look the whiskers!
Shake.
Shake!
Ayaw mo, shake ka. Monster fish.
It's too big!
Hi! Hi, Ada, hi!
Shoot!
Hi! Ang laki, oh! Pang piyesta sa barangay. Ayan.
Wow!
Hi, Dory! Where's Dory? Ayun si Dory! Ang ganda ng blue dun sa baba. Oh.
Ang ganda ni Dory. Sabi ko daw.
It's a shark! Hi!
Ada, ayan yung shark. Ada, look, ayan o. Ayan o, stingray o.
It's a big one.
Wow!
This is so big.
Pangmukbang yan.
Oh, let's go find something else. Let's go find something else. Are you enjoying? Do you like the fish? Do you like the fish? Yeah.
Ada, what's this? What's that? Calamares. Sabi mo, calamares.
Mr. Krabs! Mr. Krabs!
Cute na ni Nemo, no?
Daddy, that's one of the biggest crabs in the world!
Ba yung crabs? Kala ko king crab.
Japanese giant swallowing crab!
Jellyfish, Ada.
Gutom na yan ang dyan pa kayo.
Ano yan, Martha?
Tomato.
Ano yan?
What's this daw?
Pizza! Ito naman.
Tomato.
Ito naman, tomato.
Ito yung topping! Tomato! Ito yung topping!
Mukha bang Mukha nga namang tomato yun. Slice na tomato. Ikaw, Martha.
What's that?
Pizza?
Tomato.
What's this, Ada? Ada, what's this? What's this?
Ano yan?
Ha? May tomato.